in the past couple attempts. I don't know what Mind Jacks is for, but I'm sure it's for something. Maybe I can do a floor 2 setup with like 6 Paraffin Enforcers? I don't know. We'll see. So is your Perfect Score Seed and Inferno Seed Narninian? I watched the video, but I have just forgotten. Oh, Hive Mind, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Whiplash. Por favor. Okay, now they're dripping, sure, whatever. Space Person. For the extra Paraffin Enforcers, I'm just willing the game into giving me. And apparently it worked. Multi-strike, multi-strike. Okay. All good things right there. So let's move on. Just need to dupe one of those, and I'm in business. I can even play them out for Daedalus, depending on the draw, because of Space Prism. 1, 2, Halo Drippings. Do I run out of Burnout ever? Doubt it. Good here, I'm sure. Oh yeah. Whiplash. Another Halo Drippings. Alright. Whatever works. Probably should have taken Immortal Trade there. I'll probably find another method of defensive scaling, but... Okay, I'm not even checking that Remnant banner. I'm taking the Enforcer, and I'm leaving. And for, like, Seraph and Fel, I'll probably do a floor 2 setup. And maybe, like, dupe a third one of them. Look at that satisfying card play. Are you not entertained? I mean, no was a perfectly acceptable answer, but... Am I gonna die? Maybe so. We'll see. So yes, I definitely should have, in fact, taken Immortal Trade there. It'll still be okay, but it definitely could have been better. Oop, should have Antumber Assaulted to save the hit. But with my Pyre eating 45 damage or whatever that is, Furnace Tap. Hello there. We'll take... What will we take? Take more capacity. Probably should also have... given Flicker some sort of defensive help, but meh. Double stack, hell yeah. Yeah, we got offensive scaling for sure. Which also means that defensive scaling becomes somewhat less relevant, but this is Temperance, so, like, not really. I'm sure I'll have something by then. I would be a bit worried if I didn't. But this is still a little spooky. Yeah, if I can get like a pre-relentless kill or whatever, life becomes a lot easier. If I get the cross-class event, Wildwood Tome would do the trick for sure. But that's obviously a little rare. Engulfed in Smoke. Sounds like scaling to me. It's not really scaling, but it is defensive, and with holdover or double stack, or none of those, apparently, it will work perfectly well. Just as long as I get there. So Fight 5 is like something particularly nasty. I will likely have to reset. Stealth for sure, just because it's so good. Zero cost due to Ember Drain, that sounds entirely reasonable. But I still need a Merchant of Magic to make that happen. Sorrow of Sorrows is the boss. Could Votavary, but nah. So yeah, Zero Cost Engulfed in Smoke does appear to be a good play. I think it's probably the most important thing I can do here. And then Purge is secondary. That's acceptable. I think I'll have the offense necessary to get a low phase kill on Fel. So we should be okay, if I'm right, to set up first floor. Which is actually, I think, safer than third in this fight. Come to think of it. Patterns are fine, not amazing, but fine. I have no way of healing these up, hopefully. I think the next Master of Light comes now. It does. Good. That's great timing. Engulfed in Smoke again? Oh, I should have AA'd the... Okay, Engulfed in Smoke now. Thank you. Alright, that saves us the first turn of stealth, which I think is all we need. Nope. Not quite. Do I have to reset fight? I do. Lame. Very lame. Yeah, the Antemper Assault I think would have saved me the damage there, so I will proactively do that. And also do this, because that's generally a good idea. That could screw up my Engulfed in Smoke draws. The possibility is totally there. But I am definitely doing a lot better on health this way. And I do have the stealth once again at the right time. Yeah, this should be a lot better. I don't have the Ember to do this, but I can block a hit, which is just as good. Engulfed in Smoke still. This should do it just fine. Yep. Alright. Loses like 40 seconds. There's a little tiny part of me that was like, ooh, Shroud Mitosis, thinking I was playing Hive Mind. I will never not associate that as the Hive Mind card. Also, you may ask me, why did I take another Furnace Tap? And to that I would say, great question. Actually, the more to the point is why I didn't double Emberstone. That's what I should have done there. So I could take another Furnace Tap, I just definitely do not have the Ember Drain to play both of them unless they're drawn in the same turn, which actually isn't that unlikely. But not great either. Definitely not great. This is a good start. I will say that much. Zero cost was good advice, thank you. Living Armor's noises freak me out, I just realized. They are terrifying. More stealth in this coming fight would be wise. Where is... There it is. Alright, so hopefully, what I see here is both Furnace Taps in the first hand. Well, it doesn't actually matter exactly where they go. It just matters that they're both in the same hand, which could be this one, and is. Awesome. Oops. It's fine though. I got plenty of burnout. Alright. Got enough stealth to do the job here for sure. And I've got enough burnout to make good on that. Alright. And we're gonna get a gold split by just a little bit. If I hadn't reset that fight, that would have been a very solid gold split. But that does just happen. Oh, that's, yeah, that is an unseeded Melting Remnant world record. Please clap, everybody.